Welcome to Healthy Nature. What is glycemic index? Glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food causes our blood sugar levels to rise. The high glycemic foods are, or the foods that have high glycemic index, are quickly digested and absorbed and causes a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. And the foods with low glycemic index are absorbed at a slower rate and subsequently cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels. A food's glycemic index ranking only applies when a food is consumed on an empty stomach without any other type of food. For example, if you take a high glycemic food with the other foods that contains or cooked with fat and protein, that slow down the absorption of carbohydrate and lowers their glycemic index level. The glycemic index is a rating system for foods that contains carbohydrates. There are three forms of carbohydrates. Those are sugars, starches and fiber. When you eat or drink something with carbohydrates, your body breaks down the sugars and starches into a type of sugar called glucose, which is the main source of energy for cells in our body. And other type of carbohydrate, that is fiber, passes through your body undigested. Some of the high glycemic index foods are sugar foods, soft drinks, white bread, potatoes and white rice. And some foods with low and medium glycemic index are some fruits and vegetables, pulses and whole grain foods. And here is a point to know that foods with high glycemic index are not necessarily unhealthy, and not all foods with a low glycemic index are healthy. For example, watermelon is high glycemic index food and chocolate cake has a low glycemic index value. The range of low glycemic foods value is 1 to 55. And for medium glycemic index foods, it is 56 to 69. And for high glycemic index foods, it is 70 and above. I already told you that all high glycemic foods are not unhealthy and all low glycemic foods are healthy, because it also depends on glycemic load. What is glycemic loads? A numerical value that indicates the change in blood glucose levels when you eat a typical serving of the food. For example, if you eat a 120 grams of watermelon that has the glycemic index of 80 but its glycemic load value is 5. So the change in blood glucose level is only 5 for watermelon. Even its glycemic index is more, that is, it comes under high glycemic food. Glycemic index value is not about nutritional value. For example, whole milk has glycemic index of 31. And glycemic load is 4 for 1 cup of whole milk. The low glycemic load ranges from 1 to 10 and the medium glycemic load ranges from 11 to 19 and the high glycemic load ranges from 20 and more. If we eat high glycemic foods, that causes rapid increase in blood glucose and insulin response and a subsequent rapid return to feeling hungry. In turn, low glycemic index foods delay feelings of hunger. There are mixed results, but some studies shows that foods based on a glycemic index or glycemic load value may help you to manage your weight. And if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe Healthy Nature. Thank you.